teach you how to fill out a Google form. At least the first part is that, but I'm really going to teach you how to use Google Forms. So I've made a sample quiz for myself. So you have a question at the top, and you have as many as one answer to multiple answers. So I'm going to do other and sample. I'm the sample liking guy. Sample. And I'm going to choose sample, actually. And you are going to click submit. And that is how you do a Google form. Now I'm going to teach you how to use how to fill out a Google quiz or a different kind of Google form. A few moments later. All right, so I just created a brand new Google quiz. So it's basically like a Google form, except you have to choose a specific answer, and you'll get scorings for that answer. In the corner of each question, you can see how many points you'll get for each question. So, if you were to choose wrong, sample. So, I'm going to do sample 2 and sample. One of them is going to be wrong. So, submit. And then you can view your score. And we will see that in a moment. A few moments later. So yeah, this is my score, and so I got sample number 1 wrong, 0 points. Sample number 2 right. All right, and now I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form of your own. A few moments later. All right, so this is how you create a Google form. So I have an untitled question. You can title your question whatever you want. You can add options or add an other. So yeah. A few moments later. And this, dismiss. Anyways. And this is how you create a quiz. It's basically the same as creating a form, except you see this thing down here that says answer key. You select the option or multiple options that is correct. And that is how you use Google Forms. Thank you for watching, and bye.